Hello guys, are you a digital content creator? Ready to elevate your content with incredible YouTube shorts? This tool is just for you. In this video, we are going to see how ChatGPT creates YouTube shorts in minutes. Let's get started. First, search for Invideo AI in your browser. Open this link ai.invideo.io. This is the Invideo workspace. Here, choose YouTube Shorts from this drop-down list. Next, here you need to create a prompt to generate your video. For making engaging and attractive video, enter your prompt with detailed instructions, voice-over scripts, and describing the flow of your video. To do that, I'm using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. See, I already generated a prompt for this topic. Copy the generated result and go back to Invideo AI page. Paste the content here. Choose your desired settings here. Click Continue. Now click Generate a Video. You'll get more options like audience, look and feel, and platform. Pick whatever suits your style and click Continue again. Wait a bit, and you'll see your video being generated. Once it's ready, play it.
Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Indian street food, a kaleidoscope of colors, flavors, and aromas. Picture bustling markets, brimming with energy, serving a feast for the senses. Savor the popular delight, pani puri, a hollow crisp filled with a tangy tamarind water, or the spicy pav bhaji, a thick vegetable curry served with a soft bread roll. Can you almost taste it? To recreate these at home, let's start with pani puri. Make small hollow dough balls, deep fry them until golden, fill with spiced mashed potatoes, and dunk in tamarind water. Voila! For pav bhaji, sauté mixed vegetables with a blend of spices, simmer until soft, and serve with a buttered toasted roll. Delve into Indian street food, a culinary journey worth embarking on. Keep exploring, keep tasting.
Pretty cool. You can also edit your video or script by clicking the Edit button here. That's it. You've just made a YouTube short using an AI tool in minutes. To download your video, click Export. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.